This is an explicit formula for a sequence. Remember the AN and the little n over here? And we did a lot of experiments on proving that an arithmetic sequence is also a linear function. So we can change it to a linear equation. And to do that, what does AN become? That's our result, and that's a y. And what does n turn into? X. So we have the linear form of the equation by just changing this to y and this to an x. Now our answer choices don't look like this. So now we have to think about how to clean it up and make it look like what's on the screen. Well, anytime we have parentheses, what should we do first? We should distribute. So let me write this again so we can see. Negative 8 times x is negative 8x, and negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8, and 20 was just hanging around waiting for us to get finished. Now once I get here, I need to combine like terms. Well, what are the like terms? Well, those are just the numbers. I have a 20 right here, and I have an 8 right here. So if I combine them, a 20 plus an 8 is 28, and then x doesn't have any friends, so he's not joining to anybody. So now I have 28, and I have a negative 8x. Now, does it matter if the negative 8x is at the beginning? No. But here's where you have to understand. That negative is attached to that 8. It's a negative 8. So if you move it to the front, it's still got to be a negative 8. 28 is positive. Therefore, when I move it over here, it's still positive. It's still sitting there. We did not cross the fence so that we would change the signs.